Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Android application attendance system for Kolej University Islam Perlis KUIPs staff. Okay, my name is Izwan Nurli bin Bistaman as a presenter, and my group members are Nurli bin Subri, Muhammad Zaki bin Shahabuddin, Sharifah Fairuz bin Izwan, and Badrul Hisham bin Abdul Rahman. So this paper is presented for second International Conference on Management, Education, Social Science and Technology, ICMAS 2022. In the era of globalization, especially in the 21st century, information and communication technology is moving fast, where various applications are developed for the convenience of users. So the development of the human resource Android application for staff attendance in higher learning institutions is developed for the human resource department. So this information system is very necessary to meet the challenge of the rapid technological change compared to the conventional technology and will increase the effectiveness. So this paper proposes how to design and build an Android application that will be utilized to support the human resource department besides to ensure the information accuracy and the consistency in managing human resource and provide a sufficient report as required. So the objective of this research are to utilize HR Android application for staff attendance to ensure the information accuracy and consistency in management human resource and to provide sufficient report as required. So problem statements. There are some constraints of using a manual system or the conventional system, such as file losing, data redundancy, and difficult to manage. So this attendance information and leave record for each employees are stored in file manually and difficult to retrieve when needed. So it's unable to produce sufficient report as per management requirement. So the novelty or the inventiveness of this uh, article is since the previous system had more constraint and not effective in facilitating the human resource tasks and the crisis of the COVID-19 nowadays. So HR Android GPS application is the solution and very useful for staff to record the attendance by using the mobile application. For research methodology, the system development life cycle (SDLC) method is used for software project development. So it consists of a detailed plan describing how to build, maintain, replace and modify or enhance certain software. For the requirement analysis, so at this stage, programmer will analyze the system requirements, create concept of system and searching information about the system to be built. At the design stage, so define what is needed for Android-based GPS attendance system. So create a display application interface, the flow of the application system design including the use case diagram, interface diagram and the database. For the development stage, this is the process of the analyzing what device requirement to support for system development including software requirement and hardware requirement. At the testing stage, system will be tested for ability to run properly. The weaknesses of the system can be detected at this stage and it will be made improvement so that the web application system will fulfill as needed. And at the last stage is the maintenance. The system maintenance will be made regularly and to prevent system from damage. So the flowchart system shows that how the data flows in a system and how decisions are made to control the event for admin side. So they will log in by using the admin password and enter to the system. And admin can monitor all staff record and generate the report as needed. So for staff, as usual, after login to the system, so they will record the attendance by using GPS attendance module. So use case diagram for Android-based GPS attendance system shows that the function of the system from beginning to the end of the process. Use case consists of the actor, use cases, and their relationships. So the diagram is used to model the system of an application. System description, okay, for HR GPS attendance. As we can see here, the interface of admin where they can log in to the system and monitor the all activities by clicking the GPS attendance button to add the dashboard. So after that, the dashboard of admin view will appear. So all the information about the admin will display. On left, admin will check, okay, the attendance by clicking the admin menus. So all the details about the staff attendance will appear. Admin can view all staff attendance and print the staff record. So the details about the staff attendance record will display. If, for example, the date, time for touch in and touch out for the everyday. This is the staff interface. As usual, staff need to log in, okay, by entering the username and the password. Then the dashboard for staff will display and click the GPS attendance button to record their attendance. So make sure that the staff need to enable the GPS system first, okay, before they use this system. So this is the GPS attendance, mobile phone view or any gadget, okay, that support the Android system. So user need to enable the GPS system from the phone and record their attendance. System will show the area of the campus range, whether is it inside or the outside of the campus. And after touch in or touch out, so staff can exit from this module and data attendance will record automatically. The staff can check the attendance record, okay, for every day and monthly, and all details about the attendance will appear in this interface. So this interface will show the working hours and staff will manage the time to fulfill the timed hours, okay, for every month. Benefits of using GPS attendance. Staff can access the system anywhere and anytime by using a mobile phone or any gadget that support the Android system, and allow the staff to access, okay, using a mobile phone to record staff attendance on weekdays, okay, by activating GPS on the phone. And since the COVID-19 pandemic, where most of staff are directed to work from home, so that they can use this GPS attendance system to record their attendance. Okay, for conclusion, this HR system can be a linking process between a group of administrative and all staff, where the utilizations of the HR department can benefit, okay, from the data share with the other departments and the effect of record system to avoid the data redundancy. So this system can support human resource to manage the information system more efficient and transparent. So the most important objective of these systems are to change, okay, the use of conventional attendance system to more supportive system that can give some benefits to our staff, so that to avoid the occurrence of data redundancy and to ensure the data can be recorded perfectly and easily to retrieve. So that's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.